Discover the joys of this mouth-watering recipe. Start with isomalt, a fantastic ingredient that melts beautifully. Add a few drops of food coloring to create vibrant hues. Once melted to a viscous consistency, sprinkle a flexible silicone mat with luster dust. Pour the colorful isomalt onto the mat and feel free to mix different colors for a stunning effect. As it cools, shape it by securing the mat with clips over a glass. Allow the isomalt to cool completely before gently removing it from the mat. For an extra glossy finish, use an emulsion of vodka and candurin. Your beautiful isomalt decorations will surely elevate any dessert. Check the description for full details.